How are you, students? I hope everyone is safe at your homes. And yesterday we have discussed about the output devices. Today our topic is CPU. It is nothing but a central processing unit. Now let us see the architecture of the computer or block diagram of the computer. Here the CPU, it is internally consisting of three parts: ALU, CU and memory or memory unit. Clear? Let us discuss briefly about the CPU. CPU is a central processing unit, the main unit inside the computer. It is the main unit inside the computer, and this unit is responsible for doing all the activities in the computer. It's mainly consisting of three parts. They are named as a ALU, CU and memory unit one. Then see the picture. This is a system unit, not the CPU. This is not the CPU. This is a system unit. When we can see the inside of the system unit, here is the CPU is there. What are the remaining components is there? These are all called as a peripheral devices. Memory unit. A memory is just like a human brain. It can store the data or instructions which are coming from the input unit or input devices. Memory simply already has seen in your mobiles or in laptops or computers. Just it should be storing the information. That information may be temporarily stored or permanently stored. What do you mean by temporary storage? Temporary storage means when the power is off, the data in the memory can be erased. Permanent means when the power is off, the data in the computer memory cannot be erased. That is called as a permanent memory or permanent storage. The next unit is control unit. So this control unit acts as a central nervous of the system for the entire components. It manages and coordinates the entire components of the system, and also it controls all the activities of the internal and external devices also. Now it is manages and coordinates means it is placed between the ALU block and memory block only. That's why it should be calling as a coordinator. Coordinate. The next one is the arithmetic and logic unit one. This arithmetic and logic unit is the one of the part in the CPU. Here the function is all the actual computations like arithmetic operations and logical operations. All the actual computations can be done by the ALU by using this circuits one. So by using this circuit, we can do the arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, increment, decrement, exchange, and etc. Similarly, logical operations like logical AND, logical OR, logical NOT, logical NAND, logical NOR, logical XOR, and logical XNOR operations. Conclusion is ALU main purpose is all the computations. All the computations or calculations can be done by the ALU. The entire operation of the CPU I can explain by using the one example. So here input device. What do you mean by input device? It means it gives the information to the CPU is called as a input devices. So by using the keyboard, I have given the 3,1 as my input by using the bus to the CPU. That means keyboard is the one of the input device. Out of already 15 input devices already I have explained. By using the keyboard, by using this keyboard, I am giving the data or information, that is the 3,1 to the CPU by using the bus. Here what do you mean by bus? In the